Hello and happy Wednesday. I'm Mike Molina, and this is the Mortgage Minute for Wednesday, November 2nd, 2022. So as I said, the raising of the Fed funds rate 0.75% was no surprise to the market. It was everything everybody knew that was going to happen. What they were looking for were commentary from Federal Chairman Jerome Powell, and he gave a comment that he backpacked on it. So why is this important? Because what the bond market is looking for is signals from the Fed that inflation is starting to curtail. Because if inflation curtails, the interest rates will come down. So if you look at this chart right here, you can see, we don't have October reading yet. The real important date is going to be next Thursday, November 10th, when we get the October reading on inflation. October 2021, inflation was at 0.6%. So if that year-over-year reading is equal to or less than 0.6%, then we should see some positive activity in regards to interest rates. If it's higher, then rates will go up. But hopefully it's going to be at that or better. We'll see some improvement on inflation. As soon as we start to see improvement on inflation, rates will come down. And that is why I keep saying that rates will be coming down next year. And we should expect to see rates back down in the fives, probably, hopefully in the early part of next year. Some people are even saying by the end of this year. I think that's a little optimistic, but it will all depend on inflation. And people keep asking, well, how do you know that? You can't know that for sure. You can't know that for sure. Actually, I pretty much can know that for sure because history is the greatest predictor of the future. And if you look at this chart right here, this is a historical view of inflation versus the 30-year fixed rate mortgage rate. And as you can see, the interest rates, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate follows inflation. So as inflation goes up, so too do the rates. And inflation goes down, so too do the rates. This is a historical trend that never varies. There's some minuscule variances in microscopic timeframes, but in the big arc, you can see that interest rates follow inflation. So we know that the Fed is combating inflation. One way or the other, it's going to come down. Everybody say hello, Clark. Totally photo bombing my video here. And so as that happens, rates will come down. So please take that as good news. Hope is on the horizon, and we should see a turnaround in the not too distant future. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like and share, and we'll talk to you soon.